The Lectric XP Trike is an innovative electric tricycle designed for accessibility, convenience, and comfort. This fully assembled and foldable trike boasts a low standover height of just 13.8 inches, making it accessible to a wide range of riders with varying abilities and preferences. Under the hood, the XP Trike features a potent 500-watt brushless motor and a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, providing ample power and a top speed of 20 miles per hour. With a range of up to 35 miles on a single charge, it's well suited for both short commutes and leisurely rides. The 4-inch fat tires contribute to enhanced stability and comfort, while the front suspension absorbs energy and minimizes ride impact, ensuring a smooth and comfortable experience. The Trike's maximum payload capacity of 300 pounds accommodates riders with varying needs, and its adjustable design supports riders of different heights. User-friendly features include an LCD display, thumb throttle, and ergonomic leatherette grips, enhancing the overall riding experience. The Lectric XP Trike offers exceptional value for money and comes with a 1-year warranty, providing peace of mind to riders. This electric trike is an ideal choice for those seeking an affordable and accessible electric tricycle that's easy to store and transport. It has garnered positive reviews for its smooth and comfortable ride, stability, and hill climbing capabilities.